Hey guys, it's R33 JDM Bill here. So, I got a package off eBay. Yeah, eBay for my, car. So we'll just open it up. So yeah, comment what do you think is inside. So, ZSS Racing Div. I wonder what's inside. At least 4 kilos. That's what it said on the package. Foam. Okay. Wow. Matches the car. You know what, I'm just gonna... This is just one of them. Jesus Christ. My upper control arm is on what was the side? This side, one of the upper control arms snapped, so we got a new one. The other one is in here, of course. So yeah. I'll get a good look for you. Yeah. Matches it perfectly. So, if you haven't been to my channel before, this is it. Don't mind the mess. So, that will hopefully go up top there. If I can get it up there. We'll go there. So, and hopefully we got a new steering wheel. It's in the boot, I'll just pop it quickly. On Facebook, these rooms are for sale, 1,000 for for all. So yeah, this is my RB25 single turbo, Jack Phillips sticker of course, V-spec. So yeah, hopefully going to get the box off. We had to have that on for the roadworthy. So yeah, Dr. Drift. Series 2 with Series 1 body kit. We got a GTR spoiler in my bedroom as we speak. It's a replica, so yeah. So this is the steering wheel I was talking about. Red stitching. So yeah. That to go there, we're going to get it painted black, or the colour red Mazda RX-8 red. So yeah, there's the pod. So yeah. Oh, look at that exhaust. Couple of chips in there, one air bubble there. We're gonna get resprayed and fixed. So yeah. gauge up there. LED lights. LOL. So yeah, we're gonna get a new sub. We're gonna get a sub in the boot. Yeah. If you got any plans, if you have any ideas for my plans with it, go follow me on R33 JDM _ build on Instagram. So yeah. Whew. One day I hope to get an RB26 in the engine. So yeah. I want to get that to like Nismo, you know? It's not hard to do. Get new engine covers, red. But then we got to take out the whole engine. So yeah. Not the whole engine, but yeah. Just look at that colour. Hopefully aftermarket tail lights will look alright. Looking at those. Phew. Of course, my Instagram and YouTube up there. I forgot to show you. So just follow that. Hopefully gonna get R33 GTR seats. Oh, yeah. And of course new speakers because they've got holes in it. And yeah. We're gonna take it out today for Mother's Day to go to my nan's place. So yeah. It's a push start, runs 430 horsepower, manual. Yeah. Probably about to end off the video here because, you know, Mother's Day and stuff. So yeah, have a good day guys and catch you later. See ya.